Hello, my name is Banin Ghafoori and I'm an undergrad student working in Dr. Lee's POKY team. Today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on spectral alignment. Spectral alignment is used to correct small shifts in NMR spectra that happen due to experimental differences such as temperature and pH changes. The goal is to make sure peaks from the same nuclei line up correctly when using one spectra as a reference to the other. So here I have two spectra open, N-HSQC spectra and HNCACB spectra. First I want to make sure both axes are on the same axis, so I type XA to display the axis labels. And you can use XR to rotate the axis and XX to transpose them. This step is important because alignment only works properly if both spectra are oriented in the same way. Next I'm going to synchronize the spectra by typing YT, and I'm going to synchronize the nitrogens and the protons. And this step is important because it lets me move around in one spectra and have the other follow automatically, so it makes it easier to compare the same regions between both spectra. Next, I'm going to zoom in on a peak in the N-HSQC spectra and the HNCACB spectra by shift and the plus sign. And I'm going to pick this peak, and to pick a peak you can go on F8 here and select the peak. I'm going to select both of these peaks, and you can go back to pointer mode, and as you can see these two peaks aren't aligned perfectly, so I'm going to hold shift while pressing on both of these peaks, and I'm going to type AL, and we use the HNCACB spectra. We align spectra HNCACB using peaks in N-HSQC, and then I'm going to press on align, and as you can see there was a slight shift in the spectra, and this tells me that the alignment worked and now the peaks are perfectly lined up. That's the tutorial for spectral alignment, and thank you for watching.